How to fix Valorant voice chat not working. This can happen if your microphone is disabled or its driver needs an update. Here's how to fix it. Open the Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar. Open Control Panel. Select Sound. Go to the Recording tab to see your available microphones. Right-click your microphone. Select Properties. Under Device Usage, make sure Use this device, Enable, is selected. Click Apply. Click OK. Open the Start menu again. Type Device Manager in the search bar. Open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your microphone. Right-click your microphone. Select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Let Windows check for and install any available driver update. Close Device Manager once the process is complete. Restart your computer. Open Valorant, go to Settings, Audio, Voice Chat. Make sure your input device is set to your microphone, and test the voice chat. And that's how you can fix Valorant voice chat not working on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.